Wash as many as 30 racks of glassware or dishes per hour with this Green&Clean Undercounter Dishwasher from Electrolux. This Energy Star rated unit only requires 0.8 gallons of water per rack, so it uses little energy, water, detergent, and rinse aid. A built-in atmospheric booster heater raises the temperature of incoming water to 180 degrees Fahrenheit for sanitizing, while the green Wash Safe Control LED light confirms items have been properly rinsed. For minimized service and maintenance needs, this unit has built-in rinse aid and detergent pumps that are controlled automatically. Its soft start feature offers additional protection from fragile dinnerware. To learn more and to order an Electrolux Undercounter Dishwasher for your operation, visit us online at KaTom.com or call our customer care team today.